Today, we're diving into 3 transformative hacks that are reshaping how aspiring authors write novels. Whether you're struggling with the complexity of world building or carving a unique narrative voice, AI is your secret weapon. Did you know that 78% of modern authors have used or are considering using AI in their writing process? And I'm sure it's much higher now. If you're among them and aspire to be, today's guide is your golden ticket. We're diving into 3 AI writing hacks for aspiring authors. No fluff, just real actionable strategies. Imagine crafting a story so compelling that it captures readers from the first line to the last. It all starts with a solid foundation. Every great novel stands on a well-structured narrative. With AI, creating the building blocks of your story becomes a breeze, but it's not just about speed, it's about depth and coherence. The first hack involves using ChatGPT, Claude 2, or any AI model that you use to crystallize your story idea, develop your plot, and outline the journey of your characters. Start by feeding the AI with genres, themes, and a basic plot idea you're passionate about. Next, let AI expand on this seed, suggesting twists, character arcs, and potential endings. It's like having a brainstorming session with a room full of writers, except it's just you and the AI, efficient and focused. However, the magic lies in the iteration. Refine the AI suggestions, tweak the plot, add your insights, and mold it into a narrative that resonates with you. This process ensures that the story remains authentically yours while leveraging AI's creative potential. Story development is more than just sequence of events. It's about creating an emotional journey. Use AI to explore various emotional arcs and thematic depths. How does your story feel? What's the underlying message? AI can provide options and you decide what aligns with your vision. Creating a detailed outline is crucial. It's your roadmap. With AI, you can experiment with different story structures, be it the classic 3-act structure, the hero's journey, or something uniquely experimental. For me, I love Dan Harmon's story circle. The AI can simulate how each structure unfolds with your plot and your characters, giving you a clearer vision of your story's path. By the end of this process, you'll have a robust narrative framework and a story pulsating with potential, ready for the next layer of creativity. It's not just about using AI as a tool, it's about partnering with it to elevate your storytelling craft. Now that the skeleton of your story stands firm and ready, it's time to infuse it with life and color. The next stage is where the worlds you dreamt of take shape and the characters you imagined start whispering their secrets. Welcome to the art of building your story's codex with AI. A story is more than just its plot. It's an ecosystem thriving with characters, settings, lore, and intricate relationships. This is where your codex comes into play. The codex is your ultimate reference when prompting AI to write your chapters. It's a detailed encyclopedia about your story's universe. Here's how AI becomes your ally in this creative endeavor. Firstly, character development is the soul of your codex. Each character, from the hero to the bystander, has a story, motivation, and past. AI can help you flesh out these characters by suggesting backstories, personal traits, and potential development arcs. Imagine inputting a character's basic backstory and watching it grow into a complex individual with fears, dreams, and secrets. AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude 2 can offer you a diverse range of character development based on literary tropes, psychological profiles, and narrative needs. Next, dive into world building. Whether your story unfolds in a distant galaxy or a parallel magical realm, AI can assist in crafting geography, culture, the political system, and even the laws of physics or the magic that governs your world. Both GPT and Claude can generate detailed maps, societal structures, and historical timelines, making your world as real to the reader as one outside their window. The Codex also includes the web of relationships, connecting your characters, love, rivalry, friendships, or betrayal. These dynamics drive the narrative forward. AI can simulate different relationship dynamics and their evolution throughout the story, ensuring that your narrative is rich with interaction and emotion. Lore and politics add depth and realism to your world. Whether it's ancient myths that foretell your saga or intricate political intrigue that moves the plot, AI can help you develop a layered backstory that adds weight and depth to the narrative. By analyzing the vast amount of historical and mythical data, AI can suggest lore and political structures that are complex and believable. In building your codex, remember AI is a tool that spurs your creativity and not replaces it. Use the suggestions as a starting point, then infuse them with your own intuition, research, and personal touch. The goal is to create a codex so detailed and vivid that your narrative world feels like a living, breathing entity. You've constructed a riveting narrative and built a vivid world. Now it's time to breathe your unique essence into every word. This final hack is about making your AI novel unmistakably yours by cloning your writing style. Let's dive into how you can teach AI to reflect your literary voice. Cloning your writing style with AI isn't just about mimicry. It's about capturing the nuances that make your writing uniquely you. Your style is your signature, the emotional rhythm that resonates with your readers. Here's how you can ensure that AI doesn't just write, but speaks with your voice. First, understand your writing style. If you're unsure of your writing style or looking to refine it, observe patterns in your writing. Are you descriptive, concise, witty, dramatic? What are your favorite literary devices? Understanding these aspects is crucial before you teach AI to emulate them. If you're new to this or you're looking for more guidance, my video on cloning your writing style can be a great resource. Once you've nailed down your style, it's time to introduce AI to it. Start by feeding it samples of your writing. The more, the better. Most advanced AI tools learn from input. They can analyze your syntax, vocabulary, and rhythm. They observe how you construct dialogue, describe scenes, or build suspense. Tools like ChatGPT can be trained with specific prompts and examples to adapt to your style. Next, refine the AI's output. Initially, the AI's attempt might seem off-key or too generic, especially if you're using the free versions of these AI models. Don't be discouraged. Each iteration is an opportunity to guide the AI closer to your authentic writing voice. Provide feedback, tweak the outputs, and continually feed it more of your writing. Over time, the AI will start producing drafts that echo your tone and style more accurately. The magic happens when AI begins to write not just with efficiency, but with character, your character. It can draft chapters, dialogue, and descriptions that feel like they've flown from your pen. However, remember that the final touch, the soul of the story, comes from you. Use AI-generated content as a base and infuse it with your creative spirit, ensuring every sentence radiates your unique flair. As you venture forward, here's a quick recap. Number 1, build the foundation of your story. This is your story idea, plot, and outline. Number 2, creating a codex. Dive deep into the world you're creating. Utilize AI to build a rich tapestry of characters, settings, and lore, making your universe as real to your readers as it is to you. Number 3, cloning your writing style. Your voice is your signature. Train AI to understand and mimic your style, but always pass the final draft through the filter of your personal touch, ensuring authenticity in every line. In closing, let these hacks you've learned today be the beginning of an exhilarating adventure into AI writing. Keep experimenting, learning, and above all, writing. And remember, for more insights, tips, and discussions on harnessing AI to write novels, make sure you subscribe for more content and like this video. Your story is waiting to be told, and the world is waiting to hear it. If you want to learn how to build and clone your writing style that AI can mimic, check out this video.